birds I feed every day. I have about 20 pairs of redbirds, cardinals, all kinds of birds, and yeah, a couple squirrels come up and eat with them every day. Every single day I feed them. One thing I learned in life, you feed God's creatures, you'll never go hungry. I got the shopping cart there. They come and just sit on the shopping cart and look in at me. Old squirrels. They're greedy, and squirrels eat everything. And of course, I always have a hawk overhead. Wherever I goes, I can get a picture of a hawk every day. Even in the pouring rain, I got a hawk overhead. Even at stoplights in the city, I can look up and there's a hawk. I don't care where I'm at. They're there. That's a wisteria that turned the telephone pole into its tree.